Assalamualaikum 5 class. I'm a science teacher. Open your book. The topic that we will study today is about the arthropods. We'll study that what are arthropods basically, and where they are found, what are their types, and what are the examples of arthropods. So let's start. More than 3/4 of all animal species are arthropods. Mean to say that the animal species that we have in this world that we have discovered till now, more than 3/4 animals are arthropods. यानी कि 3/4 जो है हमारे पास एनिमल्स वो कितने हैं, वो क्या है, आर्थ्रोपोड्स हैं. They are found everywhere on the earth, on land, in trees, in water and underground. Mean to say that arthropods, we can find arthropods everywhere on the earth. They are present on land, in trees, in water as well as underground. Arthropods are the major source of food for most other animals. Mean to say that the arthropods which are present all over the earth, they are the very major source of food for the other animals. For example, if we see the insects like ant, like centipedes, millipedes, these are eaten by sparrows. Mean to say that they are the source of food for the sparrows, for the birds. They are eaten by birds, as I have told you, fish, some mammals and even other arthropods. जो दूसरे आर्थ्रोपोड्स हैं वो भी आर्थ्रोपोड्स को खा लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द कॉकरोचेज, if we see the examples of cockroaches, we have whenever any cockroach dies, जब कोई कॉकरोच मर जाता है तो जो रिमेनिंग कॉकरोच मेंबर्स हैं वो उसको खा लेते हैं. ठीक है. So this is the phenomenon that how the arthropods are eaten by the other arthropods. Some plants also eat them. We have some plants that are carnivores. Mean to say that they eat insects like pitcher plant. This is example of the carnivorous plant. They eat in arthropods. All right. To help study arthropods, scientists have divided them into 5 main groups. There are 5 main groups of the arthropods. कितने groups हैं arthropods के? 5. Insects, that include beetles, ants. Insects हैं first of all arachnids, spiders, scorpion are included in them. Crustaceans, crab, lobsters are included in crustaceans. Centipede and millipedes. So this is the whole brief description of the arthropods. We studied that more than 3/4 of all animal species are arthropods. All right. Secondly, they are found everywhere on the earth. They are found on land, in trees, in water as well as underground. Third thing that we studied is that arthropods are the major source of food for more other animals. Mean to say that they are eaten by the other animals. The predators also eat arthropods. They are eaten by the birds, fish, some mammals and even other arthropods. Some plants, the carnivorous plant that eats arthropods, like pitcher plant, I have given you example. They also eat them. And if we talk about the classification of arthropods, we have 5 main groups: insects, arachnids, crustaceans, centipede and millipedes. See here insects. The information of insects we have here. About 1 million species of insects have been identified on earth, with probably more than numbers still are not identified. Mean to say that scientists have discovered 1 million species of insects. Insects की 10 लाख जो है इकसाम वो साइंटिस्ट ने डिस्कवर कर ली हैं. ठीक है. दे आर आइडेंटिफाइड ऑन द अर्थ विद प्रोबेबली मोर देन नंबर स्टिल नॉट आइडेंटिफाइड. और ये भी कहा गया है कि ये बहुत इससे भी ज़्यादा तादाद में पाए जाते हैं जो अभी तक डिस्कवर नहीं हुए. ठीक है. All insects share three main characteristics. They have three main characteristics. उनकी जो common characteristics हैं that we have studied of the reptiles, the mammals, birds, the fish, amphibians. They also have three main common characteristics. Like a body is divided into three sections. Mean to say that the body has three parts: head, thorax, abdomen. ठीक है. One pair of antenna mean to say that the eye-like structure, the antenna-like structure that is helpful for searching food. Three pair of legs on their thorax. There are three pairs of legs on their thorax. ठीक है. If we talk about the three main sections, like head, insect have head, the very first and foremost part here, and on the head there are antennas. And thorax, जो गर्दन है उसकी, it has three pair of legs, mean to say that 6 legs they have, and in the last they have abdomen, which include the rectum also. एब्डोमेन है इंसेक्ट्स की. उसके बाद जो है उसी में जो है इंक्लूडेड है द एक्सक्रीटरी पार्ट ऑफ द इंसेक्ट. So this is the brief description of the insects. Like about 1 million of insects are identified on the earth, and it is expected that more than 1 million are there on the earth which are not discovered till now. And they have three main characteristics. We studied that a body they have which is divided into three sections: head, thorax, abdomen, and one pair of antenna. They have one pair of antenna that helps them to find their food, as well as it's help them, the insects, to predict the डेंजर को प्रिडिक्ट करने के लिए भी एंटीना परफॉर्म करता है अपना वर्क. 3 pair of legs on their thorax, and they have 3 pair of legs on their thorax. If we see the examples, beetles, ant, ladybird, flies, mosquitoes, and grasshoppers are the examples of insects. We have a lot of examples of insects. We see on daily basis. बहुत सारे insects हम देखते हैं अपनी daily life में, which are found on earth. Cockroaches are also included. All right. See, there is amazing scientific fact. The world's most deadly animal is an insect. यानी कि जो बहुत ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक जानवर कंसीडर किया जाता है दुनिया में, वो क्या है? इंसेक्ट. यानी कि इंसेक्ट जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक भी साबित हो सकता है हमारे लिए. द मस्कीटो किल्स मोर ह्यूमन दैन एनी अदर एनिमल बाय स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ डिजीज़. जो मस्कीटो है, ऑल्दो इट्स वेरी माइनर इन साइज़, बहुत छोटा होता है ये साइज़ में, मगर इस जो इंसेक्ट ने, मस्कीटो ने सबसे ज़्यादा इंसानों को कत्ल किया है बाय स्प्रेडिंग डिजीज़. So it's a scientific fact that the world's most deadly animals are the insects. जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं वो छोटे हैं साइज़ में, मगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजरस भी प्रूव हो सकते हैं. So this is the whole description of arthropods that we studied today. We studied that more than 1/4 of animals are arthropods. They are found everywhere on earth. And arthropods are the major source of food for other animals. They can be eaten by the birds, fish, and some mammals. And they are classified into 5 main groups: insects, arachnids, crustaceans, centipede, and millipedes. We also studied about the insects, that 1 million species of insects we have discovered till now. And the common characteristics that we studied about the insect, we have like a body divided into 3 sections. They have a body that is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen. 1 pair of antenna that helps them to find food as well as to predict the danger. 3 pairs of legs on their thorax. They have 6 legs on their thorax. And we also have the examples here: beetles, ant, ladybirds, flies, mosquito, and grasshoppers are examples of insects. Hope your concept is quite clear about arthropods.